some joke here. Look at our tomatoes. I have transported our harvest to our kitchen. Here's our harvest now. Here's the tomato. I need to harvest some basil. Our basil is here. I just need to harvest the top. So just like turn basil, and then 1 second. Basil is very refreshing. Just turn basil, olive oil. Oh my god, this is horrible. And then paprika, salt and peppercorns. Here's what we're having for our Sunday brunch. We have the chorizo de cebu, our favorite, and then the sunny side eggs, tomatoes from the garden, tomatoes and basil from the backyard garden. The blueberries are also from the garden, as well as these fruits, plums, nectar plums, and peaches. And the flowers are also from the garden. Let's eat. It's a beautiful day. Look outside. J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle, qu'on a tous une place au soleil à tes pieds. I have some leftover bread here from last week that I need to use. So I'm going to make bread with eggs and cheese and ham. Removing this outer part here. Like that. Look how pretty. They can make into like really beautiful tea sandwiches too. Right, now let's flatten this. So we're making 6. Well, let's do alternate. Like here, let's put this with butter so it doesn't stick. Here. Oops. Okay. And then let's put them here and fold on the side so it fits. And I have some leftover ham here too. Let's use some of them. There you go. Perfect for some of those like leftover from the previous week. To use the leftover from the previous week before they expire. The entire egg might not fit, so let's like, oops, remove some of the egg whites. There you go. Look at how pretty. Whoops. So cute. They're very cute. The ham is sweet, so I'll put a little bit of salt on there. Just a little bit. Just so it has a little bit of saltiness. And then the bechamel sauce. Shredded cheese. And then shredded cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack. And then onto a 350-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. And here you go. It's done. And then they're very easy to remove from the pan too, like that. And here's where we are eating because it's too hot outside. Let's put fennel on top, so it has like a little bit of green.
What's
There
the
you
yellow?
go.
What's the yellow part again?
That's egg. So it's like this inside. It's not runny and it's not like overcooked too. Where are you going? We're going to boba time. And the macarons. Here are the bobas. I don't know who ordered this.
That's not
Beautiful.
Huh?
Daddy? Don't leave Daddy yet.
Yeah, I think so.
How about this one? Whose boba is this?
Oh, how come there?
Mango. This is mango.
Yeah, mine.
Here's mine. Ube with pudding and mango pops and taro and boba.
Everyone that bought steak, they ask it to cut, slice in half.
We're home.
Oh yeah,
The
look at
flowers are
look at so vivid.
our flowers are so gorgeous. Husband and Josh went to Whole Foods earlier today and they got 2 ribeye steak, a bunch of asparagus, and a bag of yellow potatoes. So these are what we are having for our dinner tonight. So it's like one I like steak, like really thick steak, and then husband asked the butcher to cut it into 2 like this. They are like super easy to prepare, super quick to prepare. In less than 30 minutes everything will be done. So I'll steam the potatoes. I like steaming because they retain their like shape when you steam them. Here are the rosemary that I harvested from the backyard garden. Potatoes are almost, hi Josh, potatoes are almost done. So now I am going to prepare the, what's next Josh? Let's watch the fireworks later. The steak. So this, it has to be like, the grill has to be really hot. And then let's add our rosemary. We have rosemary here. Let's take the pepper corn. I'm going to add the salt later, so like the juice doesn't come out of the steak. The potatoes, let's just season it with salt. Let's use garlic powder, onion powder, And then paprika. This is paprika. And then this grill on the same grill that we use for the steak. We're in Glendale to meet family friends for dinner at Carousel. It's a Lebanese restaurant.
North Brand Boulevard.
We're here at Carousel. This is the hall. The appetizer, the eggplant.
Yes,
Oh, the hummus.
Thank you.
What's this pizza bread?
You just press that one time.
There's a birthday. There's a birthday. Look at the cake, Josh. This sauteed liver. This is the
Which one is that? The chicken breast? That's the chicken breast? Okay, yeah.
Here's our shrimp.
No, I can finish.
Just try it.
Hi Josh, how are you?